Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting ready for the day while testing out some new beauty products. I'm going to take you through my new brow tutorial using a new brow product, and that is where we will begin. For anyone out there who's looking for a budge-free brow product, this is for you. I'm starting with brows today because I'm using the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Dream Brow. It's a long-wear gel serum. It's a really interesting texture. I played around with this a couple times off camera. Gives a very beautiful, natural brow result, but it has a very specific application technique, so I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm using shade Brunette. Inside the box you get the Wonder Blading Dream Brow Gel Serum and a double-sided brush. It has an angled application brush, and then on the other side is a spoolie. What makes the gel serum different is that it features color locking technology for extreme long wear and vegan silk powders for instant volume, so it's transfer free, budge proof, and waterproof. It's also infused with the Healthy Brow Complex, which has keratin, biotin, and hyaluronic acid. This kit was sent to me complimentary, and I've partnered with Wonderskin to share this tutorial with you. I've scooted in nice and close so you can see what I'm doing. You want to apply this to clean, dry skin, so avoid using moisturizer in the brow area. And I'm going to begin by just filling in the sparse areas of the brow. Once you've finished a section, you can brush through with your spoolie to evenly distribute. I don't have a lot of hairs down here at the bottom because I overplucked. And the great thing is, this is going to fill them in, and it's going to last. You can sweat, you can be active, you can be outside, you can go swimming. You can do any activity you could imagine, and these brows are not going to budge. Now for the front of the eyebrow, I'm going to pick up my little angled brush, take a little bit of the gel, and again I'm going to wipe off any excess. I'm going to use the brush to be even more precise and fill in the front. Now you can clearly see the before and the after. Right now the after side is looking a little bit too bold and a little bit dark because I have a bare face. It's going to look much better once I finish the rest of my makeup, but I think the key is to just fill in the bulk of the brow, anything that you know you're definitely going to fill in because it is so long lasting and waterproof. Sweat resistant, it's not going to budge. This color, the shading that we have here, is not going anywhere. This is how I wish my brows were naturally. If only I could wake up in the morning and my brows were already done. Because it is budge proof, you do have to be pretty careful with the application. You want to make sure that less is more. It's better to go in and only fill in the sparse areas, and then you can always go back and kind of tweak them later on. But I absolutely love the bold brow. I just did a little black liquid eyeliner on top, and I remembered that I have another mascara here to try. This was also sent to me complimentary from Wonderskin. It's their Powerful mascara, and the wand looks really good. So we're just going to try it out. It's tapered, it's kind of hourglass, it's an hourglass tapered, it's kind of curved. I don't know how to describe it. But the wand looks amazing, so hopefully the formula is great. Oh wow. Yeah, it's really nice. Ooh, this is such a unique wand. As soon as I opened it up, because I wasn't going to use it, I opened it up and I looked at the wand and I thought, no, we have to try this. How interesting. So what I like about a curved wand is that you can get really close to the lash line. And what I like about a tapered wand is that you can get the inner lashes really easily, and this is somehow both. So it really coats every single lash. Face and eyes are now completely done. These brows, I know we had to trust the process, but now with everything complete, I think they look perfect, and I love the fact that they didn't budge, which isn't always the case with the brow pencil that I typically use. I like the fact that it sets the hairs in place, and of course the fact that it has skincare ingredients I think is really amazing. So I love the brow product. Like I said, I've used it a couple times off camera. I will continue to play around with it and see the best way to use it. I think my biggest surprise is the Wonderskin mascara. Did not expect to love this as much as I do, but the wand is so unique. I've never seen a wand like this. It's hourglass, but it's kind of tapered and then it's curved, depending on which side you use. So it allows you to get all of the bottom lashes, the inner lashes, you can build up the volume, but then it really combs through so they don't get clumpy at all. Huge fan of both of these Wonderskin products. They're amazing.